Alright guys, today we're going to play some Raffles. Yeah, I haven't been uploading that much and as I'm having my exams or something like that. And if you want, I won't be possibly, you can join me if you want. The username is right on the screen right here. So anyways, let's go play some matches. Let's just play, let's do team deathmatch. Natural. So this is actually my first video with my voice. I didn't really post anything for my voice at all. I'm gonna join in. Before I actually fight, I need to turn off my auto show, and I was doing the troll my brother. So anyways, let's get this show on the road. It's a bit laggy when I'm recording and stuff, but I'll try and get a new camera as my PC was broken. But yeah, so you gotta bear with me with this. Oh shoot. Okay. Tag will start for the beginning. I'm lagging too much. No. I'm lagging a lot. Oh shoot. Why am I lagging? Oh, hit a butt. He is really hiding inside here. So much for hiding. It get better. Okay, just kidding. I'm just spamming my moves and anywho. I'm doing the quick reload if you didn't know. All of you should know that, I guess. Damn. Okay, well, just gotta say that, it's a fail. Sadly, it was a fail. Didn't really do anything much. No, great. So, I feel like this is just gonna be a short actual video. Usually I do shorts, but I think this is my first ever actual video. I'm just spamming anyhow. I'm just spamming. Okay, I got killed. Great. Well, let's just go and kill some people. Oh, okay, never mind. This is not durable at all. Yeah. Oh yeah, if you want to know where I'm from Singapore. I'm Asian, by the way. So this is why probably my voice sounds like this. As I'm still young, only 12 years old. That's my actual age. But if you know, you know. And I'm getting absolutely cooked right now. I'm getting cooked up. Oh, hey, time's up. I didn't really get into it. Yeah, so let's just leave. Let's just wait for the next one and yeah, probably wait this out. This isn't very fun, but I'll try. I'm only level 70. The guns I don't have is all this. Like seriously, I'm broke. Very broke. Okay, let's go back to hub. Well, this will only be like a 4-minute actual video, and yeah, so hope you all have a good day and catch you in the next one.